Welcome to our quick guide on delegated staking with ARIO. If you've got ARIO tokens and want to support the world's first permanent cloud, but don't necessarily want to run a gateway yourself, delegated staking lets you do exactly that and earn rewards in the process. But what is delegated staking? Delegated staking means you stake your tokens with an active gateway. They use your stake to increase their chances of being an observer, which increases their reward share. In return, you earn part of the gateway's protocol rewards. So how does it work? The minimum stake a gateway can require is 10 ARIO. Each gateway can set its own, so it might be higher. Only have 10 ARIO? Find a gateway with a minimum and you're good to go. Earnings? Gateways distribute rewards to their delegators based on how much you've staked. Each gateway sets its own reward sharing rate up to 95%. Flexibility? You can add, reduce, or withdraw your stake whenever you want. Flexibility bonus. You can even use ARIO that's currently delegated to a gateway to purchase ArNS names without unstaking first. The protocol redirects part of your delegated balance towards the name registration, making your stake both productive and personal. That's what's up. Withdrawals? There's a 90-day unstaking period. If you withdraw early, there's a sliding scale penalty. Higher at first, then tapering off. What about slashing? It exists, but not for you. If the gateway fails for 30 consecutive epochs, it's slashed 10,000 ARIO and removed from the network. But the good news here is that delegators aren't slashed. Your tokens are returned automatically if the gateway is removed from the network. Redelegation? You can shift your stake between gateways without having to wait the full 90 days. So if your current gateway dips, you can move your tokens. And what about gateway settings? Operators can turn delegation on or off and set custom criteria. If delegation is turned off, tokens are returned after the lock period. So why delegate? Many reasons. You earn passive rewards, support decentralized infrastructure, and help keep the permaweb strong without having to run hardware or manage uptime. Ready to join the network? Stake ARIO and support the mission that powers the permaweb.